Please work. Please work. Please work. God dang it. Oh yeah, it's working. It's just saying it. Oh yeah, it's working. I'll see it here. I'll see it here. Oh, the CPU usage, man. I really need a PC. A new one, that is. I have the older one, but it's not that great. Probably worse than this one is. I have the older one. Arguably worse than this one. Worse, yeah, that's it's not that great. Probably worse than this one is. I have the older one. Arguably worse than this one. Worse, yeah, that's it's not that great. Probably worse than this one is. I have the older one. Arguably worse than this one. Worse, yeah, that's it's not. Wait a second. Not that great. Probably worse than this one is. I have the older one. Arguably worse than this one. That's confusing as hell. Worse, yeah, that's it's not. Wait a second. Not that great. Probably worse than this one is. I have the older one. Arguably worse than this one. That's confusing as hell. Or the mic sounds like mono. That's not. Wait a second. Not that great. Probably worse than this one is. I have the older one. Arguably worse than this one. That's confusing as hell. Or the mic sounds like mono. That's not. Wait a second. Whatever, man. I'll just start it. Not that great. Anyway, probably worse than this one. Shut up, pussy. Shut up, pussy. Okay, warning. Please check out the video recension. Shut up, okay? I don't have the I don't have the required resource to do a 1080p stream. YouTube, come on, shut the fuck up. Anyway, where were we? Oh yeah, in today's not really stream. This is just me fucking around, but yeah, the goal of this stream is just to identify some spaghetti. Spaghetti, is that how you say it? Yeah, spaghetti. And then cleaning it up. Let's start right away. Should we look at add-ons? I don't think so. Common, yeah, blessing. It's actually nothing here. The blessings just kind of work. Yeah, I'll visit the blessing later. Collision, all right. Collision. I think I'll also create some, not really a guideline, or maybe a checklist, something to check for. Right. CD process again. Refactoring.markdown. Okay, so what should we check first? Obviously, function and variable names. Export. I'll open the doc. Yeah. Why don't? Why we created the doc if we don't use it? God dang it, pussy. Just use the doc. Alright. Where was it? Refactoring. Duplicated code. Hard to understand function. Long ass function. Long parameter list. Global data. Mutable data. Divergent change. Repeated switches. Deeply nested loops. Large class and comments. Alright, let's see the pattern. Call down, signal up. Alright, inheritance over composition. Context-based couplings, signal and global signal. Assumption is evil. That is true. It is really evil. This one thing have caused me a lot of trouble. So please, guys, do not assume that a variable or something will exist sometimes in the runtime, because it might not be exist, and it'll cause a lot of problems. Not a lot of problems per se, but it's more of a hard to find problems. Alright, finite state machine. Finite state machine. I think we're using behavior tree. Oh no, controlled entity. But for the AI, we're going to use, what is it again? Behavioral tree, if I recall correctly. That is. Oh yeah, behavior tree. And then lastly, singleton. Yep. Okay. Refactoring. Okay. Duplicated code. What is it? There's not really duplicated code here. Single. Oh yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, the formatter said that it's not a great idea to put a space between them, so I'll follow the formatter. Function ready. I think you should start adding this return type. Function alert. It's a void function. All this as well. Yeah. Then I think I should expect it to return. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Oh yeah. I need to add static type. Add static typing. Okay. This isn't static type yet. So what kind of area that I'm expecting here? Huh? I'm not sure. Wait a second. I'll remember. I'll try to remember. Alert signal. Wait a minute. Alert signal. Wait, what am I using it for? Alert signal. Oh, the from. The from. The frogs. The froms. Yeah, the froms. No, not the froms. It's just all of the enemies. The alert signal is that one. That piece of. Yeah. Alert. No. On the enemy. How is this? Node use alert signal. Let's see. Alert signal. What? Oh, it is his own class. I think I'll have to. Do I really have to? Yeah, whatever. So what what I will do is just type out the all of the class, not all, but the classes that I've encountered, so I can clearly know how they interact with other classes. Open existing diagram. I think I have one in the GitHub. Is it this one or is it this one? I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. I think it's this one. Definitely not this one. This one. Definitely not this one. Is it this one? No, not this one. What's going on here? Class dot. Yep, this one. It should. Yeah. Class name. Why is it white? 1 second. I don't want it to have a fill. Or do I want it to have a fill? Well, let's just select the whole thing. Yeah, give him a fill. Fill him out. Right? What the hell is this? Apply. That's ugly. Oh, 1 second. I don't really like that. Wait. God dang it. No. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, make a fill. But I'm starting to get angry. Come on. Yeah, like that. That's what I meant. Hup. Apply. What's this? Can I delete it? No, I cannot. Then what's this? What? What's that? Ah, there you go. Okay, class name, alert, signal. Is that it? Yep, alert signal. It is ready. I don't think I have to type out the virtual method or the Godot method. I'll just have to list out my method. And on receiver area entered. Okay, I'll have to delete this. No, why is it like that? Yep, the field. There's a lot of field actually. Collision. Should I really list out all of the nodes? I think I should. It's a variable after all, and I have to list it out. And yeah, I need the music going on. Yeah, let's go. Field type, collision, animation, audio receiver. Before that, before I visualize all of the classes, I might need to take a look at every file just to get a bird's eye view of every class that I might have. Right? I think that makes sense. The music might be a bit too loud. What the fuck is wrong with you, Chen? Oh yeah, Yomu. Oh yeah. This is fate, Yomu. Anyway, let's see here. While I'm looking at this, I think I should talk about something else. What should I talk about? Collision animation. Oh yeah, I should talk about the recent delays. So as you might all know, the combat build should have been finished way sooner, but something happened. Yeah, I've said a lot of times that something happened, but I've never really elaborated on that. Yield get 3 collisions at the Fed disable. Yeah, I think there's nothing wrong with this. I think I should make this private, but there's no private. Yeah. So what happened is that there's this one period of time of the year where our company or my workplace have to be really active at that point, because I mean it is really the only time that we can gain a lot of progress. And yeah, it started on early June until late or middle of August in this year. It'll change each year, but for this year it happens at early June to late August. And because I'm part of the team, yeah, I get a piece of that. Well, it's certainly bad, as in it is really a lot of work, but yeah, it's getting better now. So TLDR, it's just work stuff. Anyway, and I'm losing focus here. I'll try to get back to it. Okay, blinker. Okay, what the fuck? Who I don't think it should be called blinker. Instance into something to make them blink blink. I mean, it is understandable for me and myself only, but I don't think if there's someone that would understand this. Blinker, but we'll see it. Where can I improve? Blink timer, duration timer, blink object, Pliffer? What the hell is Pliffer? Start blinking. Oh yeah, this is easy to understand. Start blinking. Does this method ever be called start, or is it called outside of the class? One second. Start blinking. Oh yeah, it's blinker start blinking. What the fuck? Who made this? Who coded this out? It's probably me, but what the fuck was I? Oh yeah, it's not that bad actually. But duration, yeah, it's understandable enough. Let's just make it statically type object. Can this be? Yeah, this is the convenience of having a dynamic language. I think I can just type object. I mean, yeah, it works, but there's a room for confusion here. What the fuck is object supposed to be? Is it node at least? I should. Yeah. 1 second. I think I should start. I'll just type. I'll just keep it in mind that. I'll just for now keep it in my mind that there is a lot of typeless arguments, parameters. Yeah, parameters. Yeah, there's a lot of typeless parameters that I should take care of. It might be beneficial, as in, well, I can just throw anything there, but there's a room for confusion. And if I look at the doc that I made myself, what is it? The parent architecture. Assumption is evil, and by just typing object, I'm saying that the object should be able to blink. That's not really useful, is it? Yeah, I'll keep that. For the duration though, I can already have the what is it again? The type. It's float. See, it's easy. Yep. Wait time. Yep. Yep. Much better. Duration time and start. I think I should create this into a private method. But then again, I don't really have a way to indicate that if something is a private member variable or member functions or member method. No, it's member function slash method. Yeah. At the moment, I don't have the what is it again? The guideline on how to do that, because if a function have an underscore an god damn it English, an underscore in front of it or as its prefix, then it is probably a callback, like on blink timer timeout, on duration timer timeout. It's a callback function, right? Yeah, it is. It is indeed a callback function. Now, the tricky part is I still have to mark something as private. Huh. I think it's okay. Is it? Yeah, I think it is okay to what is it again? To prefix a method with underscore to mark it as private. And for variable, it's easy. It's simpler because there's no callback variable. Tell me if there's there's something called callback variable, but because there's no such things, I can just add an underscores in front of it to mark it as a private member variable. Alrighty then. Blink timer, duration timer, blink object, plifer. Dun, 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 dun. because I don't think any of this, any of this variable should be accessible outside of this blink object. Alright, blink object, blink timer. Yep, that should be all. Modulate on blinker. I think I should make this into a separate function. Fun blink. you might think, you might say that this is overkill to extract the function, but I think it's better this way. So it's clear that on blink timer timeout, it'll blink. What the fuck am I talking about? Yeah, but yeah, it's I think it's from the I saw earlier, not earlier, but like weeks ago, I read about the refactoring book by, I forgot the name. I think it's not Ken Beck. Ken Beck is the person who helped the actual author of the book. Who's the real author? Fuck, I forgot. I think it's William or something. Why is Ken Beck more easier to remember than the actual author? Well, anyway, this is also toggle flipper. See, I don't get it. What the fuck is flipper meant? In general, these functions could be a lot more clear. I think it's I see. Oh, if it's a boolean, I think I should. Yeah, this is just up. Yep. This definitely needs a refactor. It's not flipper. I'll start with an is, but is what? Is what? Blinker. Modulate A. Oh, it's visible. Yeah. It's opaque. Or is, yeah, I'll just make it this visible. It's much more clear. Is visible. Is visible. Come on. There you go. Excuse me. That was noodle. Anyway, yeah, I think this is much more easier to understand now. I'll have a drink. Yeah, I think it's a nice improvement. Although I might rarely use this class. Not actually. I might have to use it a lot. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Okay, let's start from the beginning again. Extends class name Blinker. I don't think Blinker is the most descriptive name here, but I cannot think of a better name. Yeah. Is there someone watching? Nope. Anyway. Yeah. It's a much better. Yep. It's a much better functions now. Yeah, sometimes it just needs a better name to make it more clear. Start blinking. Blink, motherfucker. Blink. I think yeah, the callback function, or the callback methods, that is, should be positioned below the actual non-virtual or non-callback methods. Okay, blink on blinker timer. Timeout. Yep. Blink timer stop. Oh yeah, there's a duplication here. Should I? Yeah, it might be a bit too overkill to extract this function. Is it? Fuck it. I'll be going overkill. Oh. Ah. I can just do this. Ball. Wish. Func set visible. Set visibility. Set. Visible is no, that's just too vague. Hold on a second. I'll try to come up with something better. I cannot do. Let me think. Visibility. No. Yeah, I think it's visible is. If is valid. No. Huh. This is surprisingly hard to figure out. wait, I can do this. It's visible, yeah, you just if it's visible, then true. Visibility stay as. Yeah, I'll just if status it's void. No, I think I do it the wrong way. I think yeah, I get mixed up. Anyway, if status up but is visible else so this will make them visible, this will make them invisible, right? So if is visible, make them set visible false. Does that even make sense? I don't know. True. Yeah. Yeah. I think it makes sense. It make a lot of sense actually. Maybe, or is it just me making stuff up? Anyway, I'll set visible to true and then stop the blink timer. Okay. What else? I don't really like the suffix. No, not suffix. The what is it again? Prefix. Yeah. But I think it does make it clear is that it is not accessible for the outside class. Yep, I think that should be good enough. I'll get used to it. Start blinking. Yeah, this part is still hard to... Why do I have to set the blink object? This doesn't make any sense. Shouldn't I just... So when we start blinking, we pass an object here, and we set the class blink object to the object pass. Even though the blink object is supposed to be known to the object is a dynamic type. Why? Assumption is evil, Posey. Assumption is evil. Well, anyway, then I set the duration timer to the duration. I start the duration timer, and then start the blink timer. I guess it works, but I don't like it. This can be a potential issue. Yeah, this can be a potential issue, although I cannot see how it will be an issue, but I can feel it. It is a gut feeling that this method, the start blinking method, will cause an issue down the road. I just feel it. Especially this. But can I think of a better way to pass the object? I don't think so, but let me think for a bit. Okay, so the method that requires the blink object is the set visible. I think the set visible should just take an argument and just work with that argument. But not that would require the set visible to be a public function. Does it? Not sure. Start blinking object duration blink object. Start blinking. I think. Wait a second. Is this the right? Is it the right call to pass the object through a global signal instead of straight calling the? Yeah, that might be a better idea actually. But wait. Let me think. Will it cause a problem that I directly calls the method from the object with the character? It shouldn't be a problem, I think, because well they are coupled enough. I mean related enough. But let's see. Brain. will this scene will be attached to entities, mainly character. Yeah, mainly character. And when the character is hit, it will call the start blinking method, passing itself as an object, and then the duration, which came from the, I think it's statically typed, I mean hard coded. The blinking time is the blinking time or duration is hard coded to the to the arguments themselves itself. Yeah, let's just check it actually. Yeah, it's just right here. White sprite, white and sprite, enable iframes. Oh yeah, it's actually pretty clean. Anyway, let's get back to the no. Yeah, to this. I'm still debating whether this will create a problem or not. Am I being too paranoid? Will this cause problems? I don't know. My gut tells me that it can be. It has the potential to, but I cannot see it. I cannot see how exactly. I'm just feeling it can cause issues down the road, mainly because it changed this variable through. Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of weird hoops in order to set the blink object. Excuse me. Blink. I think it's somewhat fine. Does Godot have ternary operator actually? Godot ternary operator. One line if statement, yeah. There's a proposal about this. Oh, come on. Do I have? Will do for 2.1. If test, then wait a second. How? Where's the actual function though? Conditional statement. Yeah, ternary. Ternary if expression. If paid. What? This is confusing. can I? If no. Yeah. Just this. If is visible. No. Is visible. Else. Unexpected assign. Of course, it wouldn't work per se. It would be weird if it does. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Do I really have to use ternary operator though? I mean, it looks nice. It looks nice for sure, but do I really have to? Godot ternary operator. Ternary conditional, please. Ternary conditional. Godot one line. If. Why not one line if statement? It's purely your opinion. Yeah, whatever. I'll be fine with this. Yeah, you should be fine with that. Think this will cause no problem. Yeah. Will this cause problem? Maybe not. Blink. Dun, dun, dun. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Well, yeah, I'm still feeling a little bit weird about this assignment. It's like a constructor, but not really. It will be better off to be a yeah. Why don't just make it as a constructor? Or better yet, I'll just call parent here. Oh yeah, that's a whole lot better. Yeah. Pose. Sometimes your brain is nice. So wait. Let me see the character script. Where's the character script? I mean scene. Scene. I still don't get it. How to. Wait, not this one. This is from the dialogue. My own character. Come on. My own character. Where is it? Yep, this one. I'll have to close this one. What? Oh yeah, this one. So, what? Why is there a lot of nodes? Yeah, I'll clean this up later. State machine blinker. Oh yeah, see, so this is the blinker. You see what I'm saying here? So the blinker will, their responsibility is just to blink an object. And the good news is they only have to blink one specific entity, which are the one they are attached to. And since one blinker will only be responsible for one entity, I think we should just make an export variable. Yeah, that's a lot Poor bear. Yeah. That's. Yep. I'll go with that. I'll go with that. Whoever came up with this idea, I don't know, man. I think there's something wrong with your head. Probably me, but fair. Blink object. The duration as well. Why are we passing the duration through a method which are directly coupled or tied to the object? Why, Posey? Why? This is why the games break. There's a lot of poor decisions like this. Poor design decision, that is. Yeah, it is completely fine, and it is working fine, but yeah, you can see that there's a hole. There's definitely a hole, a crack on the wall that it might be not much, but it can cause problems. You see, I'm pretty sure that the what is it? The past me also feel this way. The past Pose also feel that there is something wrong with this, but it works fine. So therefore, I'll just leave it there. No, Pose. Yeah, but I think that's okay, since I found the potential problem is I can just change it and move on, right? Yep. The identifier duration isn't declared. Yep. Start blinking. Blink duration timer. Blink timer. Yep. And I think this should be export node path. Is that how you come on, my export? How to use node path again? Completely forgot. That's not how. That's not how. Dialog anima twin. That's not how either. Wait, there's a lot of sin files. I want .gd file, man. Come on. Show me one. Yeah, this one. Character path. Wait, what? Big descriptive. How? Wait, what? Big destructive. Character path? Wait, what? Is it N? Big destructive summon meteor. Yep. So I still have to get node character path. Character get node. But I don't have to instance it again, right? Why am I getting the character if I don't use it? What the fuck is wrong with you, Posey? What? Why? What? Anyway. Yeah. You can see why the game easily breaks so hard. Splash screen. Let's see. Node path. Who made this? I remember this. Pussy. The fuck wrong with you? Yeah, I don't think I have to refactor the splash screen. This is pure dog shit. Really pure dog shit. Why did I read it like this? Why did I? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Not path. Come on, show me the GD stuff, percent stuff. Or should I just look up a YouTube tutorial and make this way more faster? I should actually. Dash gosh. I don't even know what am I talking about anymore. This cat said there's a lot of sin just on .gd, man. .gd. Mass murder. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't have to get instantiate the character, the node or the class again. Well, that's trivial enough, but I still need to what is it? To check the tutorials. If I recall correctly, it's about inventory. How do you even call it that? Anyway, Godot inventory. I think it's from not this guy. Yep, this guy is the one. I'll just check the GitHub without watching the video. I've already watched it, so yeah. It should be around here. Node path. Come on, where's node? I'll just node path. Ah, yeah. This is one clean, not clean, one liner magic. This is really a one-line magic that I need to just copy for now. Yeah. Alright. Not path already for. Holy shit. It was not it. It's just the power brick. Blink object. Get node. Blink object as. I'll leave out the as for now. No. Wrong language, Posey. Wrong language. I think that should be it. No. That is not it. I need to export one more thing. It's float. Timer. Float. No, not timer. Duration. Export on export far. Alrighty. What is the duration? Oh, I think I need the ready function now. Yep. Func. Yep. I've solved that mystery. Dun 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 dun. Come on, mate. Duration timer dot time left. No. Wait time. That should be the one. Can I set Yeah, please. Yeah, I'll change variable assignment with setter. God dang it. This is why we need a real encapsulation. I think that should be all. If I, for example, wait. I think I should separate them. Yeah, var is for with var, already var is already var, export variable is on export variable. The virtual methods or virtual function or callback method, whatever you want to call it, is at the very top, and then down below the virtual function or virtual methods, there will be the public methods, followed by the private methods, and then followed by the callback methods. And yeah, how long did that took me? Where's the stream duration? I couldn't even find it. It took me an hour just to make that change, but yeah, I think I'm satisfied with it. This is just a small class, that's for sure, but like, this is going to be the thing that I'll do to renovate, to clean up. Yeah, that's a better word to use. To clean up the code. Yeah, the first step is just to clear this minor inconsistency or just minor spaghetti tomfoolery. Yeah, that word, you know the one. And then after we tackled all of this minor stuff, then we're going to move on. We're going to move on into more advanced stuff like pattern renovation and architecture. Yeah, I'm throwing big words here. But yeah, we'll start slowly, and I think that's a good way to tackle this, because yeah, we're going to have to do this slowly, because if I go fast, I might have missed some of the problems that I might catch if I'm being careful and taking my time with it. Yeah, I'll go through this one more time. Stay nonce. This comment really needed. I think I'll just comment that out. I mean, delete it out. Yeah. Blink timer, duration timer, node path. Blink object. Yep. Export flow. How is this code testable? I don't think so. Oh fuck, I think yeah, I didn't consider about testability. Wait a second, I'll think about that. And keep in mind that my testing knowledge is pretty much at its infancy. I just started, I don't know, 1 week or 1 week ago. Yeah, so it's I still don't know how it would works. Like, is it fair for me to run the tests For example, I'm going to test the blinker node or the blinker scene, but I need another object to be blinked to say, yeah, I need an actual object to be blinked. The blinker cannot blink itself. So is it fair for me to add something other than the actual class that are being tested? Is that how we do it? Is that how you do it in test driven development, or is it, or does it have to be really isolated? Like, if you want to test the the blinker class, then you require to only bring that blinker class. Is that how it works? One second. I can't see myself on the glass. Excuse me. That wasn't burp. I'm just something like that. Anyway, how can we make this testable? The thing is that we still need a blink object. And if I set up if I set it up this way, I really need an object, or an extra object to be tested. That might be, I think that's the way we should do it. After all, I think I should ask Kitsune about this. Yeah, I'll ask Kitsune about this. But other than that, I think it should be pretty clean. Here's the ready function that set the wait time. Start blinking. This is the only. Wait a minute. Yeah. This is the only public method. Blink. Yeah, this shouldn't be possible to be accessed. It shouldn't be accessible. That's a better way to phrase it. Set visible. If is visible. Yep. Yeah. Blink timer dot stop. Set visible. Yeah, this is clear enough. I'm happy with this. And that concludes today's episode of no. Pose, why is it so short? I just wanted to start out nice and easy, like just small step, just to wet my feet and hands a little for the first day, because I want this to be sustainable. So I might have to start with a small little step first, then gradually increase the workload that I'm going to take. But today's stream is just me trying to feel how the workflow of the refactoring that I'm going to do for basically this entire week, because my target is that I have to finish this refactoring process in this week, during this week, and that's both the general cleanup and the total pattern / architectural / OOP refactoral stuff. Yeah, and to close this, I'll put a to do down here. Create an entity base class. I think we should I need an entity base class. It's not that I need it because there is so I can encapsulate the variable and whatnot. No, but I need the type. Like, I want to be able to type as entity right? Because I can write this as character, but I also want enemy to be blinkable. Is that? Yeah, I also want enemy to be blinkable. Yeah. And if I'm, or can I just write node as node pick what's being blinker modulate sprite based canvas item. Which class have, oh no, Godot modulate. Wait, canvas modulate. So I think I'm just going to search for node object node 2D object node canvas item node 2D. So by this, I can just use node 2D. Alright, this will do. But then again, I still need the entity base class for stuff that I need to do that involves my own methods. Like, alright, because nodes Godot inheritance is really robust. Yeah, I can rely on them, but if I like implementing my own methods and I need to check whether they are able to do certain tasks, then I still need that base class that combine characters and enemies. Might be it's all. I also might be. You get the idea. If I have the base class that connect the entities together, then it'll be easier for type checking, because I really want this to be statically typed, right? Oh yeah, I need to make this a void function. Anyway, yeah, I think I'll wrap this up right here. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. Oh, one last thing. I'll enable the, what is it again? I'll enable the, what is it again? The what? Oh yeah, the webhooks. Why cannot I? Why didn't I see settings here? Am I not an admin? Oh no, not this one. Organization, right? Not this Aonahara resistance. It's the Aonahara dash resistance. Yeah, they are both completely different, I swear. Anyway, where's webhooks? I'll edit this one and enable it. There you go. Webhook. Where is it? Hub active. Update webhook. There you go. And I'm going to save this. Oh, splash screen. Quit that. Git status. Git add common collision blinker. Git commit. Oh, I'll make a new branch. Renovation. That's a cool branch name. Git commit -m. Refactor. A much more epic blinker class. I like it. There you go. Git push renovation. Sorry. Is it working? What time is it? There you go. I should be able to see a new Git message here. Yep. Looking good. git status, and I'll end the stream here. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do for the next days. I'm going to do a general cleanup and refactoring, and then if I'm happy with all of the refactoring that I did, I'll start doing the bigger things, which is architecture renovation and the class inheritance model renovation. But I might have to do them in parallel, because I'm afraid that some refactoring needs a different way of structuring or organizing the class. And the blinker case is much simpler because it doesn't rely on any other class. It is by itself, which is a great example. Almost all of the class should be like that. The class should be able to work flawlessly, not flawlessly, but should be able to work or function without any other class. I think that's ideally what a class should looks like. But again, it is hard to create something like that. But if I'm able to create something like that, I'm pretty sure that is definitely a clean code. Well, anyway, I'm going to end it here, and I'll probably stream again tomorrow, but let's see about that. Anyway, yeah, bye bye.